welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is topic about truck accident lawyer, content and attorney consilience with a truck accident attorney who specializes in the personal injury claim. They can guide you through the legal process, protect your right and help you purchase compensation from for medical expense, lost wages, pain and suffering, insurance claim. Notify your insurance company about the accident. Be consultation when dealing with insurance adjust as their goal is the minimize the amount the insurance company has to pay. An attorney can assist you in the truck accident injury with the insurance company. To insurance you receive fair companies. Keep in the mind that specialist law and regulations relative to truck accident may vary depending on your injury. It is best to consultation with a qualified attorney who can provide guides based on the law available in your region. Okay, goodbye.